You're watching the Hog Brothers Garage YouTube channel. Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in to the Hog Brothers Garage YouTube channel. Today we're back on the 33 Pontiac. We have a little bit of an issue. I rebuilt the carb on this thing and it's got a hairline crack in it. Unfortunately, in the fuel bowl. Right in here, behind this rod here, she's got a hairline crack and she's leaking fuel. You can see down here the little spot there where it's wet. Well, we'll have to take care of that. I'm gonna try to find another carburetor core that I can get for it. In the meantime, I picked up a carburetor from the Jungle website, and we're gonna try it and see. I just bought this carburetor off of Amazon to see if we couldn't get it done get this thing on to drive down the road before Christmas, which is my uncle's birthday. So we bought a carburetor. Like I say, Thunder Mingo. I've seen other YouTubers use these with some success, so I figured I'd give it a shot. It was about $60, so we'll go with. We're gonna, like I say, it's worth it if I can. It's worth it if I can give my uncle a ride before his birthday. But we'll open up the box there. Let's set this here. Throw the box on the pile. Yeah, we'll give this a whirl. See how it goes. Yeah, we'll get her bolted up real quick and see what she does. All right, well, set this puppy here for now. Get this old carburetor off. Probably need this for the carburetor. Luckily, this thing's pretty easy to take the carburetor off of. We'll pop his carb off and see how this other one will do. I just got to find another core that I can use that'll be all right. Luckily, this thing's easy to pull the carb on. Couple bolts and one piece of linkage. I have a new gasket there. It came with a couple new gaskets. But we'll slap this puppy on here. On there. We got our homemade fuel system with a fuel filter. We just got it rigged up to the factory fuel line. We'll hook that up and hook some power to this fuel pump and see what we get. All right, we'll get this hooked up. That's this wrench there. Yeah, right. Got that hooked up. A little fuel. The fuel, we're gonna, yeah, there we go. We have to plug up, there's a vacuum line over here. We're gonna have to plug this up. Okay, got that plugged up. We'll get us our power rigged up here. Fuel system rigged up. Let's see how this Thundermingo carburetor will do. I lost my ground. And let's come off the battery. Yeah, all right. Let's see what we can do here. Well, there we go. Let's see what we got here. Well, okay, man. Well, let me figure out the power situation. All right, we got power now. Let's see what the old Thundermingo can do here. Come on, Thundermingo. Oh, there's your problem right there. Look at fuel. Come on, rev up. Rev up. I know she got fuel. Alright. Rev up. Come on. Well. Well, I don't know. Well, doesn't seem like it wants to rev up. Wide open. Come on. Come on. That's wide open throttle. That's wide open throttle, man. I don't know. full throttle. Huh. I don't know. Doesn't seem like she wants to rev up. Let's get a look at this carb. Yeah, she acts like she don't want to rev up. I don't see no pump shot. It's only like a drip. Huh. I know I got fuel. It's only dripping fuel out. Huh. I'll grab a flashlight. Oh, maybe my eyes are deceived. Well, so much for a Thundermingo. Doesn't appear to have a accelerator pump shot. I don't know if I can get you in there to see that or not. We'll see if I can't get you down in there. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not. But when I hit the throttle, you can see need 3 hands. Come on, flashlight. When I hit the throttle, somehow, with 3 hands, you can see that. I don't know if you can catch that. See, I don't know if it's like, I don't know if you can see down there and catch that. You can see. Oh, bear with me. If you can see where it sticks out there. I don't know if I can get this successfully on film. Not without a third arm. But you can see, right there's the jet where fuel comes out. Right, the squirter. Right there. And I'm trying. Well, getting the camera down this hole is not working the way I wanted it to. Let me get up here. I don't know if you can see that or not. But when I flip the throttle, it's only dripping a drop out of there. It's not spraying fuel out. It's just making she ain't spraying fuel. Alright, after filming this carburetor for about an hour, I didn't film at all. I come to the realization that maybe I shouldn't have bought a Thundermingo carburetor, even for a temporary fix. Like I say, I've seen other YouTubers use them, and they've had good luck out of them. Today's just not my day. Know it's getting fuel. My fuel's good, so I know it ain't that. I know it's filling the fuel bowl, the float bowl, but I can tell you, I have fuel. You watch the line there for a split second. I have fuel. Stay off there. I have fuel. That's not a problem. will, I guarantee there's fuel in that float bowl. Let me unhook my makeshift temporary fuel system here. I was using fresh clean gas out of a gas can. The fuel bowl is full. I don't know. But fuel coming out of it. You can see there. It had plenty of fuel in the fuel float bowl. So it's not that. She just don't want to. She don't want to squirt fuel. She got no pump shot. Yeah, she's got no pump shot. So we'll just return this bad boy, and I guess I'll steer clear of Thunder Mingo carbs, and we'll get the original one here fixed. I'll get a carburetor for a core, and I'll put all my new parts in this one, and then in the core. You know, that carburetor did last for 91 years. Even though it's been parked for 54, it did make it 227,000 miles. I think we're better off just giving that shot. Use something when it was made good. And made good in the old US of A. I'm not exactly sure what we're going to tackle, but we're going to tackle something on it. Until I get another carburetor kit, and still waiting on my fuel pump rebuild kit that's taken forever. If you made it this far in the video, thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Helps an old guy like me out. I want to thank you all for watching.